Understanding a Quick Fix. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into the phrase, a quick fix. It's a term you might have come across in conversations, movies, or in a work environment. Understanding phrases like this is not just about learning English, but about getting a glimpse into the culture behind the language. Let's get started. The phrase, a quick fix, refers to a fast solution to a problem, usually a temporary one. It implies that the solution is not permanent or may not address the root cause. Imagine you have a leaky pipe and you tape it up. That's a quick fix. Interestingly, a quick fix has its roots in the world of engineering and mechanics, where problems often need immediate attention. However, over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to describe any temporary solution. You can use a quick fix in various situations. For example, I don't need a quick fix, I need a lasting solution. They offered a quick fix to the software bug, but we'll need a better patch later. Remember, using phrases like this can make your English sound more natural and fluent. The phrase can apply to many areas of life. Workplace. Our team is looking for more than just a quick fix to improve sales. Technology. Rebooting your computer is often a quick fix for minor glitches. Personal life. I thought a weekend getaway would be a quick fix for my stress. That's all on a quick fix. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll find that English phrases will start to come to you more naturally. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.